Hello my dear students, I am Abhimanyu Bhatt, PGT Commerce from JNV Surangi district Ganjam, Odisha. Today I will discuss about profitability ratio. Before starting the profitability ratio, we should know what are the profits we do come across every day. Dear student, there are three types of profit. One is gross profit, another is net profit, and the next one is operating profit. Gross profit is calculated from the trading account that we have discussed in our earlier classes, and net profit is calculated from the profit and loss account, and operating profit is calculated from the net profit by deducting or adding the non-operating income or non-operating expenses. So in this way we have to calculate the gross profit as well as the net profit. So let me just give one example for that. Suppose a businessman purchased 10 toys for rupees 100 at the rate of rupees 10 per toy, but he sold these toys at rupees 12. So total selling price will be 120 rupees. But the accountant of that businessman, that means he informed the businessman that instead of instead of earning profit, their business is suffering losses.
Yes, sir.
So in this way, what is gross profit and what is net profit, just we have to calculate here. So in this way, here the selling price is 120 and the cost price is 100. So everybody will tell that the businessman has earned a profit of rupees 20, but in this case the profit of 20 is called as gross profit, but the accountant has taken into account different indirect expenses like transportation cost or the cost of his the businessman. After taking all into accounts, then the business may suffer loss. So that is called as net loss. So profitability ratio, it is one of the tools of analyzing financial statements. So to know the profitability positions, to know the efficiency of the business, the profitability ratios are calculated. The main objective of profitability ratio is to know the trend of the profit, how far we are earning profit regularly or not, to know the performance of the business and to declare the dividend for the shareholders, and to know the earning per share. So this is a very important one. Generally, these ratios are there in profitability ratios: gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating ratio, operating profit ratio, and return on investment. But today I will discuss about only two ratios, that is gross profit ratio and net profit ratio. Very simple to understand all these ratios. And gross profit is the difference between purchase price and selling price. The ratio establishes the relationship between gross profit and revenue from operations. Revenue from operations is nothing but it is the sales of the particular business. So the formula is gross profit divided by net revenue from operation into 100. If we will multiply it with 100, it will be calculated on the basis of percentages. So जितना ज़्यादा रेशियो होगा इतना अच्छा होगा. More the ratio, better it is. So higher the ratio, better it is. Then next one is just I have put two MCQ question here. Hari bought goods for rupees 500 and spent rupees 50 for transportation and sold the goods for rupees 600. So the difference between purchase price and selling price is called as gross profit, that I told now. So what is the amount of gross profit here? 600 minus 500, that is 100. The option A is correct. And comes to the next question, my dear student. The cost of goods sold is 5000 and the gross profit ratio is 20% on sales. The gross profit ratio is given on sales, but sales is not given. Generally student, how it is calculated, if the percentage is given on sales, then automatically we can assume that the gross profit can be on cost of goods sold. So whatever 20% on sale means, it will be 25% on cost of goods sold. That means 25% of 5000. That means 1250. 1250 rupees is the correct answer. So option C is correct. Like this question we can expect from the board to evaluate in a term 1 or term 2 examinations. Then comes to next one, net profit ratio. Net profit ratio, same thing. the overall efficiency of the business, we can know it from the net profit ratio. Very simple formula is there. Net profit ratio equal to net profit divided by net revenue from operation into 100. So more the ratio better it is. If the ratio is more than the previous year, then it is very good sign for that. So the overall efficiency can be known. Actually, dear student, that means net profit ratio may be of two types. One is net profit ratio before tax, net profit ratio after tax. If the question is silent about the taxations, then we should think that the net profit ratio before tax is calculated. So in this way, you can practice more and more questions from the NCERT books and from other reference books. If any doubt will be there, you can give me in the comment box. Then I can solve it and I can send the answer to you. Thank you very much for joining with me.